Hey everybody, TPC here. This is my new Husky toolbox. It's a rolling toolbox. And this is actually going to be the pedestal for my new Royal Gourmet Griddle for outdoors. It's also going to hold all my barbecue tools, my thermometers and stuff. As you can see, it has 3 large drawers and 1 short drawer. It locks. I added the wood top to it, and it comes with a set of keys, instructions how to put it together, and 4 mats for the inside of the drawers. And let's take a look at what else we got. That's the optional wood top you can buy to go with it. And this is the Royal Gourmet PD 1301R gas griddle for outdoors. This one's going to sit on top of it. And that's what you see when you open up the box. And this is how it's packed inside. Griddle on top and the main unit underneath, and it's got interlocking foam all the way around, so you have to open up the whole box to take it out. On top you've got the griddle, and it's very, very heavy. I was actually surprised how heavy it is. Very thick steel. And this is the main unit. As you can see, it's a 3 burner setup on a red base. And let's get this out of the foam. Comes with a parts box and a clamshell of screws and looks like studs. It's got the instruction booklet, and whatever this is either a carrying bag or a cover. In the box you got your 4 feet and your long regulator tube. Now, take your griddle, flip it over, and you're going to attach the feet in the 4 holes that are provided. That's the first thing you want to do. Now, with the rubber side of the foot, you want to put the screw in, so when you attach it, the rubber side will be making contact with the surface it's sitting on. Use a Phillips screwdriver and tighten each foot down. And the feet are all on. Now we're going to set the griddle upside down. You can see the 4 set screw areas for the studs to go. This is what we're going to use to get the height adjustments on the griddle set up. As you can see, the griddle has a nice heat sink on the bottom for distributing the heat across the griddle. Now, using a flathead screwdriver, you want to tighten all 4 of the studs down first. Get them all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to put the nuts on after that and leave about a 1/4 inch of space from the leg to the nut so you can adjust height. I left about a 1/16 because that's all it provided for, but that should be enough to at least get it stable in the holes, and then you can use a wrench, crescent wrench, or a box end wrench to adjust the height to get the griddle to sit flat. And that's all there is to getting the griddle to sit right in the 4 holes. It sits nice and sturdy. And wipe it down with some soapy water and get it clean, and you're ready to hook up a LP tank and start testing out the heat. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you try this out. I'll be doing a demo very soon. Have a great day.